That's it. 1 kilo of lasagna. Khalas, finished, finito. I can't quite believe it myself, but I'm actually still kind of hungry. God, what sick person watches this anyway?
They say you are what you eat, so I'm a lasagna.
Welcome to today's episode of Mukbang. Today, I will be devouring a kilo of lasagna. A kilo of anything is pretty heavy. Let's just really check if it's a kilo. I have this old school German scale. Yep, that's 1 kilo. The whole thing full is 2. So yeah, 1 kilo of delicious lasagna. So important, lasagna. You need all tools for this. Let's get cracking. How do you even tackle something like this? Okay, I think I'm gonna start with a technique by slicing grids into it. This is the stuff you crave. You never crave celery or anything like this. You crave this. Delicious. Look at this cheesy, delicious goodness. It's steaming. Great. I think this crosshatch technique is really the way to go. It's probably super hot. I'm gonna burn the shit out of myself. It's gonna be worth it. Oh. Yeah, that was hot. That's why this grid system is really good, so it cools off a little bit. This is hot as shit. I'm gonna burn myself. But I know it's gonna be worth it. That's why I'm still gonna do it. Oh. Every other person would have let that cool off. Oh. Yeah. Damn straight. You know, I've ordered lasagna once with some people, and they asked for soy sauce and ketchup, and let's just say they're no longer in my life. Shout out to Furious Pete. He would have eaten this by now. I'm at like 1/4. Some of the best Italian food is like in New Jersey and New York.
DJ Paulie D right here from
Like
Jersey
Italian
Shore.
American food is somehow quadruple sized and full of grease and everything. I love it.
Gay!
See? My grid system worked. That means I've eaten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of possible 16 squares. I'm Asian and I'm really horrible at math. That means I've eaten 1/3 dish?
Wrong! Try again, dumbass!
I used to say I'm Asian and then people would believe me stuff like, really hard math problems that would just solve them like, what's the square root out of 1,982,000? And I would just scream like, 472, and everyone's like, whoa, that guy, he's Asian, we'll believe him. God. Stereotypes. Funny story about this t-shirt. I went to a nightclub and they didn't let me in because I had a tank top on.
Douchebag.
So I just waited for some people to go out and I just asked this random dude, hey, can I have your t-shirt? You want to swap? And he was so drunk he just swapped it with me and I got into the club. Life hack 101. I have a video called The Top 10 Foods in Japan, which is going to be displayed over here right now. There, click, yeah? Watch it, it's really funny. Some of you work in a restaurant, your dish goes out, everything has to stay hot, It ends up staying hot, but if you cook something at home, it stays hot for hours. It's funny how stuff happens, ideally at home, and then when it really matters, it doesn't. Oh man. Imagine, imagine you're sweating and eating a f***ing 1 kilo lasagna, and you have a date in front of you, and she's just gonna go look at you and like, you're just like, oh yeah, lasagna. In a way, lasagnas are super beautiful. Like, hey, when it's my birthday, 15th of September, don't get me a birthday cake, get me a lasagna cake. Like a triple layered lasagna cake with candles inside, and candles made out of cheese, yeah? So when the candles melt, the cheese melts and it goes over the lasagna. Talk about innovation. You know when you're at the Italian restaurant and you're not sure what you want to order pasta or pizza, and then you end up ordering both? With a lasagna as well? And a Diet Coke? That's it. 1 kilo of lasagna. Khalas, finished, finito. I can't quite believe it myself, but I'm actually still kind of hungry. So it's perfect, because I still got dinner tonight with my dad. All you can eat buffet. Raw salmon, sashimi, soy sauce. Whoa. 1 kilo of lasagna, man. Garfield would be very happy and proud. He'd go sit on my lap and say, Ben, I'm proud of you. You finished this entire lasagna. By yourself, no help. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Awesome Eats. Check out last week's video here. Should pop up here somewhere. Ooh. I'm gonna go for a nap. Like my 15th one today. After such a big lasagna, you have to take a nap, kind of, you know? Anyways, take care.